Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we have a simple task to do, and it's a DIY video on how to change the license plate bulb on a 2018 GMC Yukon. All right, so hey, before I go on, let me ask you for a favor. If you enjoy watching these videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. All of this helps the algorithm so it can pushes the videos up and more people can see it. All right, appreciate it. Thanks. All right, you're going to need two things. Well, you're going to need some prying tools, so I'm gonna show you what I use. I use this, and actually I used this one when I was testing it. And then you're also going to need the bulb. It's 2825 long life Sylvania, however you want to pronounce it, these little bulbs. I actually just need one, but I think I'm going to go ahead and change both of them. Alright, so you're going to need this. You can find this in the description box. You'll see two links, one to this and one to that, in case you need to purchase it. Okay, so and the third thing, of course, is you need to be a little gentle, okay, because you're dealing with plastic pieces, and the last thing you want to do is break a plastic piece and then you have to replace the whole assembly part. All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you. So the lights are located right under here, okay, and if you see if you're doing the left side, right, or the right side, on the far end, on this end, there's a little section where you can actually put a prying tool. All right, and you just put the prying tool in. You don't want to use metal. Some people, will try doing it with a flathead screwdriver. You're going to scratch the paint. You want to use plastic. Okay, so put it in, pry it open. Okay, kind of wiggle it out, and then there it is. It's hanging now. Okay, so this is where the bulb goes. You twist it, and now the little housing comes off. Put it to the side, and there's the bulb. All right, and you can see it's a little dark. It's not working. It's broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new one. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and gently pull this out, straight out. So I need my both hands. Alright, the new one is in. Now we're going to put the housing back on, and you'll see how it feels like it goes in, and then you twist to the right. It goes in, you twist to the right, and boom, it goes right into place. And now you just put it back. Boom, done. Alright, and then you can go ahead and do the other one. Again, put the prying tool right here and twist. It'll fall out, and do it again. All right, I hope this video was helpful to someone. Don't take it to a mechanic. They're going to charge you an arm and a leg to do this. You can do this yourself. If I can do it, you can do it. God bless.